Hi students, welcome back to Google Classroom Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. How are you children? Hope you all are fine over there. In the last class, we have discussed the story of Harappan civilization. Hope you learned that portions. You all are attended very well in the test paper. Today, we will discuss a few more interesting facts related to Harappan civilization. At first, we will discuss the main features of houses, drains and streets in Harappan cities.
Houses were generally 1 or 2 story high. It had a courtyard in center and rooms built around a courtyard. This pattern of houses used in many years. Even now also we can see these form of houses with courtyard in central area. Most of the houses had a separate bathing area and they had wells to supply water also.
Now let's discuss about the drainage system in Harappan civilization. You know that it is very important to keep the drainage system for each and every cities. Now we have modern technology. Still,
when the rainy season starts, our drains will be blocked. Then we are complaining about our drainage system, right? But you will surprised to know about the drainage system used by Harappan cities. Many of these cities had covered drains. It is because to avoid spreading diseases and keep the area hygiene. And at the same time, drains were laid out in straight lines. Although you cannot see it, each drain had a gentle slope so that water could easily flow through it. Besides, drains in houses were connected to those on the streets and smaller drains led into bigger ones. As the drains were covered, inspection holes were provided at intervals to clean them. From all these, we can understand houses, drains and streets were probably planned and built at the same time.
Children, I hope you understood the structure of houses, drains and streets in Harappan cities. Now, let's discuss about the life of the people in Harappan civilization. Obviously, a Harappan city was a very busy place.
The rulers probably planned the construction of special buildings in the city and also sent people to distant lands to get metals, precious stones and other things that they wanted. They may have kept the most valuable objects such as ornaments of gold, silver or beautiful beads for themselves. Besides rulers, there were scribes, those people who knew how to write. There were the people who helped to prepare the seals and perhaps wrote on other materials that have not survived. This is one of the example of Harappan seal. The signs on the top of the seal are part of a script. This is the earliest form of writing known in the subcontinent. Scholars have tried to read these signs but still do not know exactly what they mean. Besides, there were craft persons. They may be men and women who made all kinds of things in their homes or special workshops. And there were travelers. They were traveling to distant lands and brought raw materials and fascinating stories from distant lands. And the children played with terracotta toys, many of which have been found in remains. So these are some of the amazing facts related to life of the people in Harappan cities.
So students, I hope all of you understood the concept clearly. And please note that the related URLs, notes of the lesson and test paper are also attached along with the class. Make use of these available materials. Study well and attend the test paper without fail. That's all for today. Thank you.